Hello students, standard 6th. Today discuss different types of nutrients. Before today discuss different types of nutrients, carbohydrates, fats, but at a time discuss vitamins A, vitamins B, vitamin C, vitamin D, different types of vitamin B, B1, B2, B3, B4. So vitamin A is a source of green leaves, vegetables, carrots, fish, livers, oils, liver, butter, eggs. But functions of vitamins A: maintain healthy eyesight, proper growth, healthy skins. Vitamin B1 sources of whole grains, cereals, yeast, nuts, sprouts, milk, eggs. Functions of vitamin B1: helps in proper functioning of the digestive systems, heart, nerves, and muscles. For vitamin B2 is a sources of vitamin B2: whole grains, green leaves, vegetables, milk, meat, beans. But functions of vitamin 2: keeps the skin healthy. Vitamin B4 sources of vitamin B4: whole grains, yeast, green vegetables, and meat. But functions of vitamin B4: necessary for maintaining healthy skin and proper functioning of digestive system. Next, vitamin B12 sources of vitamin B12: milk, cheese, liver, fish, meat. But functions of vitamin B12: formation of red blood cells and proper growth of the body. Vitamin C: amla, citrus fruits, lemons, tomatoes, guava, green vegetables. But functions of vitamin C: necessary for keeping teeth and gums healthy. It increases the resistance of our body to infections and help the fight disease. Vitamin C. Next, vitamin D. Sources of vitamin D: milk, egg, yolk, fish, liver, oil, butter. And functions of vitamin D: essential for normal growth of bones and teeth. For vitamin E, sources of vitamin E: green leaf vegetables, milk, butter, whole cereals, grains, vegetables, oils. But functions of vitamin E: essential for normal functioning of the muscles and protection of liver. For vitamin K, sources of vitamin K: green leaves vegetables like spinach and cabbage, soybean oil, liver, tomatoes. For functions of vitamin K: for normal clotting of blood. Next, nutrients, minerals. Minerals are nutrients required by our body for its proper functioning, normal growth, and good health. Minerals do not supply energy to our body. Minerals of two types: micro minerals or trace minerals. Some important minerals, different types of sources: irons, calcium, phosphorus, sodium, potassium, iodines. Irons is sources of green leaves, vegetables, legumes, spinach, liver, eggs. Calcium, sources of calcium: milk, cheese, eggs, green vegetables. Phosphorus, different minerals to different types of functions. Next, nutrients, your roughage. Roughage, the fibrous indigestible material present in our food is called roughage. Roughage neither provides energy like carbohydrates and fats, nor builds our body like proteins, but it is an important component of our food. Roughage helps us in the following ways. Roughage adds bulk to the food. This helps our body get rid of undigested food and thereby prevents constipations. Next point, roughage can absorb a great amount of water and helps retain water in the food body. The main sources of roughage in human body are salad, vegetables and fruits, corn, unpeeled apple, half crushed wheat. And important components of food items. Water. Water is a component of food. It is essential for life. Human body contains about 70% water by weight. Water is needed by our body to perform many vital functions. Some of the It transports substances and nutrients inside our body. Next point, it regulates the temperature of our body by sweating. Next, it helps our body absorb nutrients from the food. Next point, water acts as an important medium where most chemical reactions occurring in the body. Our body needs about 2 to 3 liters of water every day. Most of the water needed by our body. Water is necessary for our body. Water to maintain the different types of activities. From drinking of water and like tea, coffee, we also get water from most food items we eat. For example, fruits, vegetables, meats and fish provide some quantity of water to our body to maintain our body. Excessive losses of water from the tissues of the body is called dehydrations. What is dehydrations? Excessive losses of water from the tissues of body is called dehydrations. Diarrhea, vomiting and excessive bleeding causes dehydration. Dehydration causes loss of salts and leads to weakness in the body. One should drink enough water to prevent dehydrations. To drink enough water. To treat dehydrations, oral rehydration solutions ORS. Full form of ORS, oral rehydration solutions. It is used to remove and prevent the dehydrations. It is available free of cost at primary health centers. ORS can be prepared at home by mixing 4 spoons of sugar, 1 spoon of salt and a few drops of lemon juice in a liter of water. This mixture is available at the chemist shops also. So water is a most important constituent food items. Thank you.